Yo, Sakafe, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a simple Afrobeat from scratch. So let's have some fun. Let's go with a tempo below 100, maybe 98. And our first plugin is going to be the ADTK preset, the Mark 1 and the stereo preset. Will stereo, where is it? Alright, let's create our chord progression real quick. Command L. Let's lower them 1 octave. Nice. One thing, I don't want those to be the loudest in each chord. I want them to be a little bit lower. That's how I want it to sound. Okay, the next thing is gonna be adding a guitar. Let's use something from Contact. Maybe we use one of my favorite library, which is the Electric Sunburst. Nice guitar library, guys. Let's create a simple guitar melody, which is the let's lower the gain a little bit. And I think I want to change the preset that I'm using. I'll go with something that a little bit smoother. Let's go with the electropop. Nice. Nice. And then the next chord is going to be G, but we can transpose this 1 octave lower. I'll go there, and then nice. Okay. Don't go down. Okay, we add this one to a mixer track, and then we add some reverb on it. Sorry. We add to this track. What is happening with my first video today? I might use the Fruity Reverb too. Now we add the bass, because I know where I'm gonna go with this instrumental. I might use Omnisphere for the bass. The preset is the clip sign bass. This one is a very, very good bass. Clip sign bass. That's the patch. Is a clip sign bass. And then we go there, and then we can go here, and then here. I think we can maybe transpose two semitone down. Let's say that we'll transpose -2, and then let's see. I think that sounds better. And then right there we can create a sorry. Let's see what key we are in. I think it's gonna be D minor. D minor. And we can make this one a little bit shorter. And I wanna layer this one with labs because I want this to be a bigger sound, like a bigger instrument. Nice. And now we need to add more instrument. I'm gonna use analog lab and use the summer night bank, and let's see. Let's see. Right, let's see if we can record something. Okay, now I think I'm gonna add another melody. Let's go to summer vibe again, and this time we can try to find a keyboard. Let's try this. Let's see. Okay. And then now we can start adding some drums. Let's go with this one, the basic Afrobeat drum pattern, and then we go for a kick. Okay, let's complete this first and then we add our kick. Okay. Hey, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. And let's add this drum fill right there. I want this to be a vibe, guys. Okay, now we add something called kick. So I'ma go to my kick and then let's use this right there. Fill each 4 step. Okay, go to conga and then we combine it with this one. All drum sample I used today are from the Afrobeat mini starch. It's finally out. I've been crafting this one for quite some time now, and it is a dope drum kit. Go check it out. The link is in the description box. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, this one we can definitely do something with it. Let's add portai. We can have one part that we play as it is, and then another part where we add the portai effect on it. Maybe the pre-chorus, the chorus, we do something different. I'm gonna go with something that I already know that's gonna sound good. That's nasty. Whoa! That sounds very good and I love it, guys. We can now create another part like the bridge. Let's say that we are going to create a bridge for this instrumental. First thing that come to mind is create another guitar melody, something much more simple than the one that we have now. Let's play the key so we can have so something really simple like that, guys. Okay, now we want to add Nexus. Let's create some thing that I used to do back in 2018. It's like you create some how can call that plug progression that sound a little bit, that is inspired a little bit by like house music. Let's go to factory preset and then let's go to I think plug. Let's use this one right there. I used to use this one, so that was crazy. Command V. I'll Q quantize duration. Command A. That sounds crazy, eh? Let's use this same analog lab so we can find to try a synth bass, something that goes underneath of everything. You can also add some vocal chops, some saxophone, anything that you think that can bring vibe to the melody. And let's go to a synth bass. I think there is one that sounds good, which is the last one. We go and then we copy only the low note. Come L. But I want this to add to have more reverb on it. I might use the same reverb but a larger. Let's go to a large hall. And also we can add some delay. Choose this delay to it. And if we want to add this, that sounds very crazy. That's this part right there. We can say that is our bridge, and then we can put it right there. And let's say that we start playing, like we see the transition. Okay, that sounds very good. But one thing we can definitely do is like for this melody right there, I'm gonna show you how to make automation for this melody right there. We can take it here and we put it in what pattern we put it. Okay, point V, but we go right here, right click and create automation clip, and then let's say that we activate it here and then we deactivate it. For the first one, we let it play like a simple melody, like you see, and then now it's gonna change. I have everything now to work on the arrangement and complete the instrument. So I'm going to drop it on my instrumental channel. It's gonna be like in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out the Afrobeat mini starch drum kit, and it is a dope drum kit, guys. It's gonna also be linked in the description box. Yeah, that's it for today. See you on the next one.